G'day everyone, and welcome to the East Area Market Report for today. About 488 cattle yarded in total. Good to see you here too, Tom. Including about 55 cows. Cow market was probably a little bit stronger today. They topped out at $4. These good heavy cows here were making sort of that $3.78 to a top of $3.88.
Very nice run of feeder steers here today. These ones here making from 540 up to 560, and your ones that are over 600 kilos making $5.
Yeah, trade cattle here today were pretty much on par with last week. The best of the trade cattle topped out $5.70 for a nice limo steer weighing 430 kilos, and most of your trade cattle made from $5.20 up to $5.60. Pretty strong throughout the day.
G'day, restocker Angus and Angus cross steers here today, very strong again this week. These lighter ones making up to $8.55, and your heavier restocker steers making from $6.80 up to $7.40.
Yeah, restocker Angus heifers here today were about 10 to 20 cents dearer on last week. These nice heifers here making from $5.80 up to $6.40.
The yarding of Lebanon bulls here today, bulls topped at $3.40.